that hinder Christians from practicing their faith. What hinders you from praying or going to church and worshiping God? Yes? Peer pressure, very good. Yes, you don't have a good role model who goes only to church and who's a good role model here, who is not involved in other things, only worshiping God and reading in school. Who's a good role model? I've not told you to raise up your hand you yourself. Your friend should mention you. A good role model here, who you can be Steve, why are you touching yourself? I've seen you're not supposed to applaud yourself. You're supposed to be, the other person is supposed to applaud you to say, this is a good role model. Someone who does not, has never had a quarrel with someone. Who's Masai? This boy here doesn't quarrel. Doesn't quarrel, that's good, yes. Felix Kioko. Atibu Kioko? You see, even you have names for them now, or if you've given them extra names. Yes, they should be. If you could have given them extra, who is your role model in Kenya? Who's your role model in Kenya? Yeah. Hey, Jimmy Wajige, you? What did you say? Ruto is your role model. Who's your role model? Kasongo is Ruto, right? Raila, yes. Isele Maundo. You just thought. I don't even know who that is, but for some reason all of you are laughing. What does he do? He's an actor. Oh, why he's overwhelmed by laughter. You want to be like him? You want to be a comedian like him? Okay, good. We continue now. What hinders you from practicing Christianity? Yes? Yes, false teachings. At the corner, yes. Sorry? Yes, true. Social injustice. Gender bias, yes. Science and technology, yes. The generation gap, yes. Because when you go to church and then an old person is preaching and you're bored. Yes, you'd rather go to work than go to church. Yes, false teachings and different interpretations of the Bible. Yes? Yes. You have greed for power. You're only looking for power and nothing else. You can't go to church. Yes, sorry? Poverty. Yes, poverty can make you not practice your faith. Sorry? Racism. Yeah, true. Yes, because the people who are racist are the ones who are going to church. You end up not practicing your what? Your faith. Very good.